are at Dirk in the Adventura Mall in Miami.
Let's see if we can find some people to tell us some Ting funny.
What is your name and where are you from?
I am from Jamaica, a place called Ocho Rios, and my name is Kevin.
I'm Jacob and I'm from Utah.
My name is Joe. I'm from Houston, Texas.
My name is Hannah. I'm from Chicago.
Ooh, fun. I want you to tell us a funny drinking story. It can be true or false. And then we're gonna try and figure out if this something is true or false.
Let's see, I was in Las Vegas. We decided to go rollerblading. Drinking and rollerblading do not go well, and I hope the lady's hand that I ran over is doing okay right now. Sorry.
So I'm gonna say this is a true story.
It's true. It's true.
Don't do that anymore.
Well, it's funny. We're going rollerblading tonight, so.
Can't tell you that on camera. Have to keep it PG-13.
I was a bartender for 20 years. That's the story.
That's your funny story?
Yeah, I was a bartender for 20 years. Do you believe that?
I don't think I believe that because it's supposed to be funny.
It is funny because it's true. And guess what? They were collaborating in Margaritaville, Jamaica at a restaurant. And I was the bartender and I made the competition and win the competition.
Wow, that's a great story.
Now you got one. It's a good story, yeah.
We are going to have you taste some Ting.
Yay!
Have you ever had Ting before?
No, but I like grapefruit stuff. Oh yeah, that's great.
It's good. Just need some alcohol now.
I already know what it tastes like, but all right. This is one of my favorite drinks in Jamaica.
When, where, and with who would you drink this Ting?
Right now and right here with you two.
Balcony, beach, a nice little breeze, but the sun's coming in.
Would this guy or girl be there?
Oh, 100%! This is the party animal.
Everywhere and every time.
What kind of dish would you eat with Ting? It's a grapefruit soda.
It's a hard one. Hang on.
What's your hat telling you?
Tropical. Anything tropical. Yeah.
I don't know, I just had a poke bowl and it's really topping it off pretty well.
Yeah.
Jerk chicken.
Nothing tastes bad with jerk chicken.
Nothing tastes bad with jerk chicken, okay?
Nothing.
Since we're the thirsty bartenders, we definitely mix this with some cocktails. Tell us, what kind of booze would you mix this with?
That's a wonderful question. Maybe rum, like a dark and stormy, but like with grapefruit instead of whatever they usually use.
If you guys made a mojito with a thing, it would be something else.
That's a really good idea.
Shit, try it with everything.
Do you have anything else that you would like to say to the people?
Ting rules, man. Wait, let me get some product placement. Yeah, Ting.
I've got nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Not even hey.
No, I'm good.
Not even sorry to the lady whose hand you ran over?
Don't come find me. I'm sorry.
I just want to say, I'm so happy. I'm living like 10 minutes from here to see my Jamaican product in the mall, and I'm proud. All right. All right. Cool.
Don't cry.